I've been sleeping on floors made of fear, staring at ceilings that don't disappear, breathing through the weight of shame, folding every failure back into my name. They said you'll bounce, but I just broke. Held my worth in other folks, lit matches just to see the dark, built a fire, forgot the spark. But something in the silence spoke, a softer voice beneath the smoke. Not strong yet, but still alive. Some seeds don't bloom till after the fight. Brick by breath, from what I lost and what I've kept. I'm not fixed, I'm not whole, but I'm finally calling back my soul. Piece by piece I carve my name in scars and light, in all my pain. This time it's slow, this time it's true. I'm not who I was, but I'm someone new. Tired of mirrors that lie too loud, tired of dreams that I talk down. Now I move, even when I shake. Even healing needs to break. No applause for quiet wins, but I see progress in my skin. Little joys like morning tea, proof that I came back to me. Let the rubble be my roots, let the cracks reroute the truth. I'm not lost, just redefined, still fighting for what's mine. I'm rebuilding myself, breath by brick. It doesn't look neat, but it finally fits. From shame, from love, from burned out days, I shape a life I want to stay. No blueprint, no easy path. I rise through aftermath. I'm not perfect, not quite healed. I'm reeling now, and that's my shield. One blood, one try, I rise. One breath, one block, one try.